Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best tent repair kit is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any outdoor enthusiast, ensuring your adventures aren't cut short by unexpected rips, tears, or broken poles. This video will guide you through the top tent repair kits available on the market today, comparing their features, durability, and ease of use, helping you choose the perfect kit to keep your shelter in top condition, no matter the adventure. Number 5. Tear-Aid Fabric Repair Kit. Say goodbye to frustrating tears and holes. It's the easy, mess-free solution for repairing all your favorite items. Made from a super tough, abrasion-resistant material, it resists punctures and tears, ensuring long-lasting repairs. From canvas and rubber to nylon and even Gore-Tex, it's versatile enough to handle almost any fabric or material. Its see-through design blends seamlessly with any color, and it's UV-resistant to prevent yellowing, keeping your repairs looking great for years. It provides instant adhesion without any messy glue or complicated sewing. Just apply and go. It easily conforms to irregular surfaces, making it perfect for repairing even the trickiest tears. This high-quality repair patch is proudly made in the United States. What we like. This repair kit offers a simple, no-mess solution for patching tears. Its strong, flexible material works on a wide variety of surfaces. If you need a quick and effective fix for various fabrics and materials, this is the one for you. What people say. The patching material is very heavy and has a lot of adhesive on it. It does work good and should last the lifetime of whatever you apply it to. Though my expectations weren't high for this unfortunate and unsightly sort of tear, this product did a much better job than I anticipated patching a 3-inch rip in the screen of an MSR tent. It's immediately evident that this is a durable material with excellent adhesion that will be a long-term repair in this specific application. Follow the directions and you won't be disappointed. This kit works great and will repair whatever you throw at it, as long as it's listed under its type. We've taken it camping already and I can report back that it held up the entire time and it really is a watertight seal. We had rain that weekend and the integrity of the patch held up. Number 4. Repair Tape 30FTX3. It's a heavy-duty repair tape, highly effective for repairing rips and tears in a variety of materials. Use it on awnings, canvas, tents, and more. This waterproof patch stands up to heat and sun. It creates a watertight seal to protect your gear from the elements. It's easy to use and will flex to repair rips quickly. It's a great addition to any emergency kit. This highly versatile tape adheres to many materials, including tarpaulin, vinyl, and upholstery. The matte black color blends seamlessly. We're a family-owned American business committed to premium quality. We stand behind our products and your satisfaction. What we like. This heavy-duty tape provides a waterproof and weather-resistant seal. It's perfect for repairing rips and tears in outdoor gear. If you're looking for a durable solution to protect your equipment from the elements, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Prepped the surface on both sides and applied the repair tape. Went on with no issues. Very sticky, so hope in the long run it will hold up. It's been 3 weeks with wind, weights on awning feet, rain and plenty of Florida sunshine. I taped the rip on both sides and it is holding up perfectly. You have to be careful as the adhesive is strong, but I would recommend this awning tent for all repairs. This tape is awesome, it is extremely sticky and sticks where you put it. I had a 3-corner tear on the corner of my canopy and this fixed the tear and now I don't have to replace my canvas canopy. The tape is flexible as well. Number 3. Repair Tape 30FTX3. It's a heavy-duty repair tape, highly effective for repairing rips and tears in a variety of materials. Use it on awnings, canvas, tents, and more. This waterproof patch stands up to heat and sun. It creates a watertight seal to protect your gear from the elements. It's easy to use and will flex with the material, making quick repairs simple. It's a great addition to any emergency kit. The clear tape is highly versatile and adheres to many surfaces. Use it on tarpaulin, vinyl, upholstery, leather, and more. As a family-owned American business, we're committed to premium quality. We stand behind our products and your satisfaction. What we like. This heavy-duty tape offers a strong, waterproof seal that's virtually invisible. It's ideal for repairing tears without altering the look of your gear. If you need a discreet and durable repair for your valuable items, this is the best option. What people say. Prepped the surface on both sides and applied the repair tape. Went on with no issues. Very sticky, so hope in the long run it will hold up. It's been 3 weeks with wind, weights on awning feet, rain and plenty of Florida sunshine. I taped the rip on both sides and it is holding up perfectly. You have to be careful as the adhesive is strong, but I would recommend this awning tent for all repairs. This tape is awesome, it is extremely sticky and sticks where you put it. I had a 3-corner tear on the corner of my canopy and this fixed the tear, and now I don't have to replace my canvas canopy. The tape is flexible as well. Number 2. Dulepax repair tape. It's flexible, thick, and durable, perfect for patching up rips and tears. Its transparency ensures nearly invisible repairs. This tape boasts super viscosity, ensuring a strong and long-lasting repair. It's built to withstand even the toughest conditions. Use it indoors or outdoors, it performs flawlessly in rain, snow, sun, or extreme temperatures, from -30 degrees Celsius to +70 degrees Celsius. It's perfect for any US climate. Repair tents, awnings, boat covers, RVs, even canvas and leather. It works on a variety of materials, including vinyl, tarp, and PVC. While it's incredibly versatile, it's not suitable for inflatable products or underwater repairs. Think of it as your go-to solution for most outdoor gear. We offer 24/7 online support to answer any questions. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. What we like. This clear repair tape is incredibly strong and adaptable to various surfaces. It leaves virtually no trace after repair. If you need a durable, invisible fix for a wide range of materials, this is the perfect solution. What people say. This tape sticks like it's welded in place. The repair lasted all summer. Tape seems durable and very sticky. Cuts easy, and when applied you can barely see it on the fabric. Number 1. PVC Stitch Repair Patch. Say goodbye to frustrating leaks. This amazing liquid patch is perfect for repairing all your inflatable items, from air mattresses to pools. It creates a strong, permanent seal that's resistant to water, UV rays, and extreme temperatures. It's incredibly easy to use. Just clean the damaged area, apply the sealant evenly, and let it dry. You'll have a fully repaired item in just a few hours, ready to withstand high pressure. This durable sealant is perfect for all kinds of outdoor gear. It works on PVC and PU inflatables, pool liners, and even some fabrics. It's your go-to solution for a wide variety of repairs. It's water-resistant, UV-resistant, and can withstand both heat and cold. It provides superior adhesion and damage resistance, ensuring a long-lasting repair. Each kit includes one 20 ml tube of transparent sealant. It has a shelf life of 2 years, so you can keep it on hand for any unexpected repairs. From inflatable boats and air mattresses to pool liners and more, this versatile patch is the ultimate solution for repairing your favorite gear. Get yours today. What we like. This liquid patch creates a permanent, waterproof bond. It's ideal for repairing inflatables and other delicate items. If you need a long-lasting, strong repair for inflatable products, this is your best bet. What people say. Had a tear right in the seam on my Ice Pod Cold Plunges inflatable top. So awkward for a patch. Followed the directions and squeezed all the air out, applied the liquid without brushing it, and let it sit. Inflated it to it being very taut, heard no air escaping, and 2 days later after several very cold nights it's still fully inflated. So far, I have fixed 4 pinhole slits in a 20-year-old air mattress. After applying the product and letting it dry, I have laid down on the mattress and not one of the 4 repairs leaks. 5 stars to a great product. Please note that I spread the product at least 1/4 inch around the hole so that the product has more surface space to adhere to the vinyl. I had an expensive air mattress that was torn by a couple toddlers jumping on it. The mattress got cut. About 2 inches. I went by the instructions verbatim. After the application I let the mattress sit unflated 24 hours. I was a little concerned it was not working. Afterwards I inflated the mattress and let it sit with air for 48 hours. Absolutely no leak. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.